Welcome to Elite Motion, your go-to channel for in-depth analysis of cutting-edge military and aviation technology. Today, we take a deep dive into the MH-139A Grey Wolf, the latest model set to redefine rotary wing capabilities for the U.S. Air Force. Designed as a replacement for the aging UH-1N Huey fleet, the Grey Wolf is a game-changer in terms of speed, range, survivability, and mission versatility. Built on the foundation of the proven Leonardo AW139, this helicopter incorporates advanced modifications to meet the specific operational needs of the Air Force. At first glance, the MH-139A Grey Wolf showcases a sleek and modern airframe optimized for both aerodynamics and durability. It features a four-blade main rotor and a twin-engine configuration, powered by two Pratt & Whitney PT6 turboshaft engines. These engines provide exceptional thrust and efficiency, allowing the aircraft to reach speeds of up to 165 knots and cover distances of over 600 nautical miles. This extended range is crucial for patrolling intercontinental ballistic missile fields, providing enhanced security over vast areas without frequent refueling. One of the standout aspects of the Grey Wolf is its state-of-the-art avionics suite. The cockpit is equipped with digital displays, offering pilots a comprehensive view of navigation, communication, and mission parameters. Enhanced situational awareness is a priority, with advanced sensor integration ensuring that crew members can respond effectively to potential threats. The helicopter is designed for single-pilot operation when necessary, reducing workload and improving operational efficiency. Additionally, its autopilot system enhances stability during long-duration missions, making it an excellent choice for extended surveillance and reconnaissance. When it comes to protection and survivability, the MH-139A is a step above its predecessor. It includes improved ballistic protection, crash-resistant fuel tanks, and reinforced airframe components that enhance durability in high-risk environments. The aircraft is also equipped with infrared suppression technology to reduce heat signature, making it less vulnerable to enemy tracking and targeting systems. Countermeasure systems further strengthen its defense, allowing it to evade threats effectively. The cabin is another highlight, offering flexibility in seating arrangements to accommodate personnel, cargo, or medical evacuation needs. It can carry up to 15 passengers alongside the crew, making it highly effective for transport and rapid response operations. The large sliding doors on both sides allow for quick ingress and egress, facilitating swift deployment in critical situations. Additionally, the spacious interior supports the integration of mission-specific equipment, allowing the helicopter to adapt to various roles such as command and control, search and rescue, and aerial firefighting when needed. In terms of performance, the Grey Wolf benefits from its lightweight composite materials, which enhance fuel efficiency and maneuverability. Unlike older platforms, it is designed for high-altitude operations, ensuring reliable performance in mountainous and challenging environments. Its ability to operate in diverse weather conditions, from extreme cold to hot and humid climates, makes it a versatile asset for global operations. Furthermore, its maintenance-friendly design reduces downtime, ensuring higher availability rates for missions requiring immediate response. The MH-139A is not just about raw power and protection, it also excels in its network-centric capabilities. It features secure communication systems that enable seamless coordination with ground and air units. This connectivity is crucial for real-time intelligence sharing and mission execution in dynamic environments. The integration of digital flight controls and glass cockpit technology further enhances pilot proficiency, reducing cognitive load during complex missions. A critical advantage of the Grey Wolf is its cost-effectiveness. Compared to legacy platforms, it offers superior performance at a lower operating cost, making it an attractive solution for modernizing the fleet. The transition from the UH-1N to the MH-139A represents a significant leap in efficiency, ensuring that the Air Force can sustain its rotary wing operations without excessive logistical or financial burdens. With its extended endurance and rapid response capabilities, the Grey Wolf stands as a reliable guardian for strategic installations, supporting national security initiatives with unparalleled effectiveness. From a strategic perspective, the deployment of the MH-139A signals a shift towards more advanced and capable rotary wing assets. The helicopter's ability to conduct varied missions, including nuclear security support, VIP transport, and emergency response, underscores its importance in the Air Force's operational framework. With increasing emphasis on multi-domain operations, having a flexible and technologically advanced platform like the Grey Wolf ensures adaptability to evolving mission requirements. Reviews from aviation experts and military analysts highlight the MH-139A's impressive capabilities, praising its agility, reliability, and cutting-edge avionics. Pilots have noted the smooth handling and intuitive flight controls, which significantly enhance mission effectiveness. Its quiet operation compared to older helicopters also contributes to stealth advantages during sensitive operations. Overall, the consensus is that the Grey Wolf represents a major upgrade, addressing key limitations of past helicopters while introducing next-generation features that enhance operational readiness. Looking ahead, the MH-139A is set to play a pivotal role in modern defense strategy. As the Air Force continues to integrate this helicopter into its fleet, its impact on national security operations will become more evident. Whether securing critical infrastructure, responding to emergencies, or conducting reconnaissance missions, the Grey Wolf is built to deliver outstanding performance across a wide range of scenarios. That wraps up today's deep dive into the MH-139A Grey Wolf helicopter. If you enjoyed this analysis and want to stay updated on the latest advancements in aviation and military technology, make sure to subscribe to Elite Motion and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.